Halloween flower pot is filled with ghosts that are really suckers underneath. These are fun to make, and you can make a whole batch for the little spooks in your life. For this project, you will need a small terracotta flower pot, black and orange paint, a paintbrush, a black marker, suckers, white tissues, scissors, string, and styrofoam. The first step is to paint your flower pot. You can do it however you would like. I'm going to do the base of mine black and then do the top of it, the rim, orange. You might want to do 2 coats just to make sure you've covered everything. Once the paint is completely dry, you can use a permanent marker to make decorations or write words on the flower pot. I'm going to write the word boo with an exclamation point all the way around the rim of the pot. Now we're going to make the ghosts. Cut a piece of yarn about 6 or 7 inches long and get a white Kleenex. Place the sucker in the middle of the Kleenex, fold it down halfway, and then wrap it around, gathering it at the base of the sucker. Tie the piece of yarn at the base of the sucker around the stick. Trim the ends of the yarn if they're too long. Now draw a face on the tissue with a permanent marker. I'm making 3 ghosts for this tiny pot, but you can certainly make more. Fit a piece of styrofoam inside the pot. Once you have the styrofoam in the pot, it's time to add the ghosts. So just take the suckers by the stick and insert them down into the styrofoam. Arrange the edges of the ghost so that you can't see the styrofoam in the pot, and you're ready to go. Be sure and subscribe to my channel for more holiday and other craft ideas.